What do we have in our pocket? Aristos Productions presents the best in Greek. Nice. Very nice. Pull it out, put it in your face. The U.S. has a population of 3,249,784. The percentage of psychopaths in any society is thought to be 1% to 2%, but as many as 80% go undetected, and many even thrive in society. So my question to you is this: what about the other 1,200,999?
The bitches out of water, right? And if I told her once, I told her a million fucking times, don't smoke in the fucking house. And what does the bitch do? She smokes in the fucking house. So what am I to do? I stick her head underwater, she goes limp. You know, what's a guy to do? So now, I gotta chop her up, spread her all over the lawn like fertilizer, make sure her teeth don't end up in someone's recycling bin. Fuck, I tell it's a hassle. And it's addicting. Fuck, you get hooked, man. You get fucking hooked. Fucking these two Mormon guys showed up at my house the other day, man. Fucking innocent motherfuckers. Fucking snuff about them like it's addicting, man. You snuff one, get that bloodlust, you know, you hear them talk about. Fucking lust.